Welcome to GPSTR CTT channel. In this today video, we are discussing chemistry, data analysis, revision. In that first, as you know that it's a mean or average. Mean or average is nothing but it's a summation of xi divided by n. Summation of xi means it is the total sum of given numbers divided by total numbers. For example, if it is 1, 2, 3, 4, you have to take the sum and divide it by total 4 numbers, then it is called as mean. Second is median. For median, first you have to do is whatever values they have given, you have to order increasing orderly or decreasing order. In that case, if you are having odd number of values like 1 2 3 4 5, here 5 values are there, in that case whatever middlemost value is there that is median, that is 3 here. If you are having even number of values like 1 2 3 4 5 6, here you are having 6 values, in that case whatever middlemost 2 values is there we have to take that sum and divide it by 2, then it is will get median. Next is absolute error. Absolute error is the difference of measured value minus true value. Measured value means on doing experiment whatever you get now, that is measured value. True value is nothing but theoretical value. If you take difference, you will get absolute error. In relative error means it is the ratio of absolute error divided by true value into 100. If you multiply it by 100, it is in percentage. If you divide into 1000, then it is called parts per thousand. Next is accuracy. Accuracy means it's the closeness of a measured value to true value. On doing experiment, you will get measured value. For if suppose your measured value is 10.2, a true value means a theoretical value also 10.2. If you get if you are matching with measured value and true value, at that case is called as accurate. Next is precision. Closeness of a measured value in multiple measure. If suppose theoretical value, that is true value is 10.2, but you are getting values 9.2, 9.2, 9.2 like this consistently on multiple measures, you are getting same values, but it is not accurate because true value is 10.2, but here we are getting 9.2 consistently. This case is called as precision. Here values are precise but not accurate. Next is mean deviation. Mean deviation is it's the difference of xi, whatever values given individually, that minus average value divided by total number of values, that is n. For relative average deviation is it is the ratio of mean deviation divided by mean into 100. Into 100 means in percentage, into 1000 means in parts per thousand. For standard deviation, root of summation of xi minus x bar whole square divided by n minus 1. Here xi is known, you know that whatever values they have given individually, you have to subtract from average and take summation of that and make squares of that divided by n minus 1. N means total number of values, given values. Variance means standard deviation square. If you make square, this root will cancel, you will get simply summation of xi minus x bar divided by n minus 1. Next, relative standard deviation or coefficient of variance. It's also called as coefficient of variance. It is the ratio of standard deviation divided by mean into 100 in percentage into 1000 in parts per thousand. Standard error or standard error, it's called it is the ratio of standard deviation divided by root of n. N means total number of observations. Precision means it is a 1 divided by standard error, that is nothing but root n divided by standard deviation. Next is this once they asked in accuracy, how whether it is accurate or precision, that they will ask. I will give you a easy analogy for that. This if you see here, in this case bullseye, in that all values are accurate, means values are nearer to this center of this bullseye, and also they are consistent, means same value 4 to 5 values are there that are nearer to center value, then it's called this case is called as high accuracy and high precision. But in this case accuracy is high because one value is exactly at the center, but it is not precise. Precise means you have to get the all values that are nearer only, but here one value is here, one value is here, they are not precise, low precise, but they are accurate. Accurate means they are nearer to center, but they are not, they are each points are away from each points are not at very near points, then that is called as low precision. uh, Here you will get idea. Here it is a low accuracy because value should be nearer to the center bullseye, but that's why it's called as low accuracy. But high precision, precision means high precision because whatever values is there na, there we are having consistently, they are lying on same side, that's why it's called as a low accuracy and high precision. Here in this case it is a low accuracy and low precision because values are not accurate also, they are not precise also, because the values are very far away from the central bullseye, and also they are not accurate. This type of formulas you have to remember. For KSET it's sufficient. There will be one question on this data analysis. Please subscribe to my channel GPSGR CTT. Thank you friends.